Okay, Ariana is about to be 6 months and she's trying to crawl. Abby, put that down so she'll get it.
Okay.
She's really trying. It's so cute. She's like,
yeah.
I could get it, I could get it. Put it down so she'll get it.
No, it's mine.
I want her to crawl. Ariana, here. Here, want it?
There you
Go get it. Woo! Yeah, she got it.
Is that me?
Okay, go get it.
Yeah.
Wait, put it down so she'll get it. She kind of is like a little inchworm.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
That's kind of far.
Okay.
No, it's okay. It can be that far. Abby. Abby's wearing Amelia's dress. Silly girl. Silly girl.
It has it. Look.
Ariana. Go get it. It's over there. Okay, that was too far. She didn't even see. You want that? Go get it.
I got strawberry.
You got strawberry?
Hello. Hello.
Give me that mousse. What are you doing?
Get it. Get it.
Mm-mm.
Get it.
Whoa!
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, don't push her, Abby. Abigail, be nice. Pretty awesome.